Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about compound interest. You have learned about simple interest from previous classes. In simple interest calculated with original principal in last loan period. Whereas in compound interest is calculated with principal by fixed time unit. Some terms, first terms is principal. Principal. The money which is borrowed by lender is called principal. The symbol of principal is P. Rate equal to R%. PA is abbreviation of per annum, each year. And transformation period, time is called transformation period. Time is called M. Principal, rate and time. Next term is amount. Symbol of amount is A. Sum, formula, first formula is A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. And second formula is CI. CI means compound interest. SI means simple interest. So CI, compound interest, means A minus P. First of all, find A with the help of this formula, P into 1 plus I by 100 to the power n. After that, find CI equal to A minus P. Now, third, if interest is compounded, half yearly, then R, that means rate, then R is divided by 2 and n is multiplied by 2. And fourth point is if interest is compounded, quarterly, if interest is compounded quarterly, then R rate, R is divided by 4 and N is multiplied by 4. Write it. Friends, next question is question number 1 of exercise 11A. Now solve exercise 11A. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 2,500 for 2 years at 10% per annum. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 2,500 for 2 years at 10% per annum, compounded annually. So right here, A P equal to rupees 2,500. Principal P equal to rupees 2,500. N equal to unit of time 2 years at 10% per annum, rate R, 10% per annum. Now first of all find amount. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N equal to P, rupees 2,500 into 1 plus 10 R, 10 by 100 to the power N equal to 2. 0 to 0 cancel. So rupees 2,500. Here taken LCM 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 2 equal to rupees 2,500. Multiply 11 by 10 to the power 2. So 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. 1 0 to 1 0, second 0 to second 0. Now 11 into 11, 121. 121 multiply by 25. 1 5 ja 5. 2 5 ja 10 of 0. 1 5 ja 5 and 2 5 ja 10 of 0 carry 1. 1 5 ja 1. 1 5 ja 5 plus 1 6. 605. Now 2 times 1 2 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4 and 1 2 ja 2. Now add it. 5 2 6 plus 4 0 carry 1 2 plus 3 equal to rupees 3,025 is amount of this principal. Answer. Now find compound interest CI. CI equal to A minus P. equal to rupees 3025 minus P equal to rupees 2500. Now subtract here rupees 525 answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 3. Find the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest. Find the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest on rupees 5000 for 2 years at 9% per annum. Here P equal to rupees 5000 and T or N, T time, N time of unit of time. T for simple interest and N for compound interest. So T equal to N equal to 2 years. R equal to 9% per annum. First of all, find simple interest. Simple interest means SI. SI equal to P into R into T. P into R into T by 100 equal to rupees 5000 into R 9 into T PRT T equal to 2 divided by 100. 1 0 to 1 0, second 0 to second 0. Now equal to 9 to the 18. 18 5 the 19 and 1 0. That means rupees 900. SI equal to rupees 900. SI equal to rupees 900. Now find CI. So to find CI, first of all find a amount. Amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N equal to P equal to rupees 5000 into 1 plus rate R9 by 100 N equal to 2. So 5000 into LCM 100, 100 plus 9, 109 by 100 to the power 2 equal to unit rupees 5000 into 109 by 100 into 109 by 100. 0 0 to 0 0, 1 0 to 1 0 cancel. Now 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10. So multiply here 109 into 109. 109 into 109. 9 9 is 81. 1 9 is 9. 0. 9 0 1. 1 8. 9 plus 9, 18 of 8 carry 1, 11. rupees 11,881 by 2 divided by 2. Divided 2 5 ja 10. 2 5 ja 10. 2 5 ja 10. 1 8. So 2 9 ja 18. Now 8. 2 4 ja 8. And 0 time 0.50. Check it. 5 to the 1, 5 to the 10. 2 5 ja 10. 1 8 18. 2 9 ja 18. 8. 2 4 ja 8. And 1. 0 times 0. Okay. Now CI equal to A minus P equal to rupees 5,940.50. 940 into 50. Now minus 5,000 rupees 5,000 equal to rupees 940.50. 940.50. Now difference between CI and SI. Therefore CI minus SI equal to rupees 940.50 minus rupees 900 equal to rupees 40.50. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next and last question is question number 8. Michael borrowed rupees 16,000. Michael borrowed rupees 16,000. So it is principal from a finance company at 10% per annum, compounded half yearly. What amount of money will discharge his debt after 1 or 1 by 2 years? So P equal to rupees 16,000 and R equal to 10% per annum, compounded half yearly. So 10 by 2 equal to 5% HY. Now, what amount of money will discharge? Here we have to find A amount. His debt after 1 or 1 by 2 years. So N equal to 1 or 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 years. Compounded half yearly. If the interest is compounded half yearly, then r is divided by 2 and n is multiplied by 2. So 3 by 2 into 2, 2 cancel, equal to 3hy or 3 only, without unit write 3, n equal to 3. Now find a equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n equal to rupees p equal to 16,000 into 1 plus r equal to 5 by 100, 5%, so 5 by 100 to the n equal to 3. 25 ja 100, now equal to rupees 16,000 into, take an LCM 20, 20 plus 1 21, 21 by 20 to the power 3, so 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20, 1 0 second 0 third 0, 1 0 second 0 third 0, 2 time 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4. Here 21 into 21 into 21. So here multiply 21 into 21. 21 a square 441. Multiply by 21 2 ja 42. 1 2 ja 2. 4 2 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8. 4 times. 1 4 ja 4. 4 4 ja 16. Of 6. Carry 1. 4 4 ja 16. Plus 1 17. 2. 8 plus 4. 12 of 2 carry 1. 8 plus 6 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1 15 of 5. Carry 1, 17 plus 1, 18. So, amount is rupees 18,522 answer. And homework, solve exercise 11A. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 11A. Thank you. That's all.